Hey guys, as you guys already know, the FIFA World Cup is going to be held in Qatar this year, November 2022. That's right. I can't wait to be right there. I can't wait to see you guys right there. It's going to be so much fun. And today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to purchase the tickets online through my phone live so you can see the reaction and you can see when I put my debit card information and how expensive these tickets are. Super expensive. I'm so happy I got them. They're final tickets, so it's super great, and that's why I'm making a video, right? Not only that, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to go to the final, and I'm gonna YouTube every single thing that I experienced. Right, super first World Cup that I ever been to. Super amazing experience. I hope you guys experience it too. And today we're gonna buy the tickets. Right, super awesome. So we're gonna show you on my video on my smartphone. So let's go to my phone to the website, to the FIFA website, but it's not the regular FIFA website. This is a hospitality.fifa.com website, right? That's where I got my tickets, and they're actually better than just regular tickets. And why is that? I'm telling you why. It's not just regular category 1, category 2, category 3 tickets that anybody can sit anywhere, but these are hospitality tickets, which means you're actually going to be accommodated with food, drinks, beer. They say they banned beer, but if you have the hospitality ticket, you actually get a chance to buy beer, which is super cool. You get guest introductions. You get, I think you may be able to get signed autographs. You're able to sit like in a table, like in a tent, or probably like in a booth, or maybe in a room. It's gonna be like a section, probably like a patio. It's gonna be like a pregame patio and an after-game patio, right? People could be right there hanging out, eat, drink, have fun, get autographs, talk about the game, and much more fun, right? So I never been to it. These tickets are accommodated with the hospitality feature, which is everything I just mentioned. You can check out the website. I can make a video about it, explaining it more. And especially if you subscribe, you're going to see all the details that when I experienced it live at the FIFA World Cup Stadium, right? Super cool. I got a couple of hospitality tickets, so I'm going to show you right now. I got the final ticket and the semi-final tickets in hospitality, which means it's going to be super amazing, right? You can't miss it. You got to experience it full. They're better than any other tickets, so that's why they're more expensive, right? And I'm going to show you guys here in my website right now. So right here on the hospitality website, it says right there, FIFA World Cup Qatar 22. And yes, this is an official website, so you can buy your tickets. They said it themselves, and we're so happy to be right there, right? Super excited. And so we go through the website. It says exclusive accommodation. You can check any type of package. You can any type of accommodation. So they actually help you on hotels and flights and everything like that. But as we're gonna go to my account, we're gonna click my account right there. Since I already bought the tickets, I could show you can briefly go through the website, or I could show you too. Again, you can pick any regular match. You can pick any pavilion match, any gallery match, any lunch match, pearl match, which are more expensive, and they go to probably like $40,000, right? So this is my account. We're gonna hit the dashboard. You have to go back and you check the name. That's my name, obviously. I'm right there, super cool. You guys follow me. Obviously, you can see more videos. My account number, I'm gonna block it so you guys won't see it at all. Orders, then you have to go to approved orders. We're gonna check what kind of proof order I got. Obviously, Qatar 2022. That's where we're going, right? Super cool. And 6 matches. Yes, I got 6 hospitality matches. Why? Because this could be the best World Cup ever. But first, when I experience it, after experience it, not only the final, the semifinals, but also the quarterfinals, right? Super awesome, super amazing. I got more tickets besides. So yeah, 6 matches, hospitality matches, super amazing. I can't wait to be right there. Super expensive, but they're well worth it, right? Could be the last World Cup for many of the athletes that we ever watched as we grew up, right? It could be Messi, it could be Ronaldo last FIFA World Cup, most likely. And that's why I'm gonna be right there to actually watch them, to be able to cheer for them and to watch live, right? Since as we all love it, right? Because we want to be right there and experience the full 10 out of 10 star, because we're wasting good money for these matches, and we're traveling all the way to Qatar, which is super far from here, right? So I said, yes, hospitality must have. That's my total amount. You see right there, $23,150 for 6 matches. Not only the final, not only the semifinals, but also the quarterfinals, right? You have to be right there to experience it every single game you can. Could be same seats, could be different seats, but I'll tell you this, they promised me it was the best seats in the house, right? Well, not the best seats, because the best seats are business seats, and those will range much more expensive, right? But if you talk to a sales agent, that means they can actually get you better seats than anybody else, right? They request it personally. For those of you who didn't know that, you can request it. And for those who didn't actually buy hospitality, you might probably will be sitting all the way to the back or all the way to the top, right? So they offered me this one, super amazing. I got these 6, very good price. So some of them I got on full price, some of them I got discounted, and that's why I decided to get all of them, right? Because not everything was at full price, and that's why I got all 6 matches, super amazing. But that doesn't end there. Why? Because I also got regular matches just like anybody else who actually bought it from FIFA.com. And I might be sitting kind of far from the field, but still experience it at 100%, cheering for a favorite team, right? Experience a full match right there, and that's the whole point, to actually be loving the game, experiencing it, being at the World Cup, and most of all, attending to every single game, right? Hopefully, right? So yes, I did get more matches besides this, but for these 6 matches, I did end up spending $23,150, and hopefully you guys like it, right? So we could download confirmation of purchase. We could click on that. We're gonna download again. We're gonna open it up. Oh, that's me. We're gonna open once. Cool. As you guys can see, we got single match. Boom. There you go. We got another single match. Boom. There you go. And we got final round series pavilion, right? Another single match. Boom. There you go. So $3,000, $1,000, and a $17,900 ticket, right? Now, $17,900 is the packet with the semifinals and the final. The rest of them are quarterfinals, right? Pretty much, you buy one, they give you discounts for the other matches, right? Which is super great. So as we go back to the website. Cool. As you guys can see, it's actually right there, right? Boom, final round series. There you go. The Lusail Stadium, the Always Stadium. Again, Lusail Stadium for the final. Super amazing. That's the final round series. Then you go Pavilion. We're going to get that one for the M58. Super amazing. Cool. And the other match experiences, which is almost the same thing. You still get hospitality and you still get a good seat, right? But match hospitality was what they call a gallery seat, what they explained to me, right? Super amazing. But let's go. All right. So now we're going to go to my orders, pending payments. As you guys see, our $23,150. We can't wait to pay it. Mountain Dew, we're going to pay it right now. Click on pay. We're going to fix our name. We're going to fix our information, make sure everything is right, because if it's not right, that means we're not going to get our tickets. We're going to spend all that much money, $23,000, and then we're not going to get no tickets, right? Damn. We're going to travel all the way over there and no tickets, right? Some of us, we have our information saved right there. Super awesome. We just do it, type it in, and we select pay. Sure, we can save if you want. Save your card. And that's it. Where we're gonna go. We wish you a pleasant online shopping experience. Book and combination. You want to book now? What happens now? I'm not sure what happens. Did we win? Did we get it? Book now. All right, cool. We're gonna go back to our dashboard. My orders. We're gonna check again. Pending payments. And payment has been canceled due to an invalid payment card provided. Please provide details. Okay. So my card didn't work. Let's get our business card. We got Citibank business card, right? For you guys don't have a business card, go get a business card. I got my own small business, so hopefully it works in the future, right? Hopefully I get more money. We're gonna work. We're gonna work till we get more money, right? Super excited. All right. So now here we go again. That's my card number. Alrighty. There we go. And we're gonna select pay. All right. Pay, and what happens? And I think it's not going through. It's not going through. Oh my God, guys, what are we gonna do? We're gonna have to call Citibank. All right. So we're gonna end the video. Call Citibank, and I'm gonna call you right back. All right. So I just got off the phone with a banker, and they say, you know what? To be able to transfer money, you can do it online. But I tried to do it. The name didn't come out for the merchant because I have to send it to Qatar, right? So they said I have to actually open up a business bank app, right? Or I have to go to a branch. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go to a branch so I could do the wire transfer. Oh yeah, I have to do a wire transfer, and I can actually pay for with my card because my card only has a 10,000 limit, right? And it won't let me get a 25,000 limit until I actually do this business bank profile, right? New business bank account, downloading the app, right? It doesn't let you actually pay a $25,000 transaction, so that's why I have to do a wire transfer, right? So that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna go to a bank and do a wire transfer. So my debit card didn't work because I exceeded the limit, right? It's $23,150. Didn't work. I called the bank, said no, I have to make a business account. It's already a business bank account, but I have to make another, online account so I could download a new business app so I could actually make wire transfers, right? So I went to the branch, just got back from the branch. Here you go, Citibank, bam, bam. We got it. We got the money. We got the wire transfer. And yes, we're going to a World Cup. We got the final, semifinals, and quarterfinals, and we're going, right? Yeah, we're going. Hopefully we see you there. Hopefully we have a good experience. We win. We enjoy everything. We have fun. And most of all, we live memories to remember for life, right? That's the reason we're going. That's why I'm here, and that's why I'm so excited to actually show you guys in a vlog, in videos, and especially this video when we just purchased it, right? It's a wire transfer. I couldn't use my debit card, so it wasn't really live, but we already transferred it. It takes a couple of minutes right there in the bank, but there was a fee to pay extra. Doesn't matter. We got the tickets. We're right there and getting the best seats. Hospitality. So watch out. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit the like button. And watch my next videos because I'm going to keep talking about the World Cup. And we're going to be right there at the World Cup. All right? Hopefully you guys are right there. Enjoy. I will enjoy it. And we're going to experience it all. Right? All right. See you guys there.